Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment. Today I'm working on Asoebi Handfans. It's very easy. So you'll be needing your candle gum machine, your cardboard or carton, bridal satin, sewing feathers, UHU gum, trimming, and whatever you think you need to make it beautiful. So this is me covering up the carton that I use with my bridal satin to have a neat look. You would also need a plumbing pipe. Yes, you attach your plumbing pipe to the carton as your handle. Thereafter, you now lay your UHU gum on the cardboard where you want to place the sewing feathers, and place the sewing feathers neatly on the cardboard depending on the shape, the size, and how you want it to look. That's exactly how you put it. So now you take your time to place the feathers layer after layer to have a full look. So when you look at your covering already, you see where you have space, empty space that the feathers have not really covered. You place more feathers to make it very full. You need to have a full look of this so that it will be beautiful. If it is not full, it will not be beautiful. So this is it. I'm done with both sides now. I'm attaching the trimming to have the style I had in mind to achieve. So you carefully use your UHU gum around to have your trimming stick to the cardboard or carton or whatever you're using as your skeleton. So this is it. I'm still putting my trimming on it to cover up the empty spaces left. You may decide to use feathers all through without trimming. You can use anything like stones. You can use whatsoever you want to use to beautify your Asoebi Handfan. Even your bridal handfan, you can use it, but trimming is more common, so you use your trimming. This is me placing the trimming neatly to cover up all empty spaces and make it look beautiful. So you still have to look at it very well. Where you see opening, you have to cover it up either with feathers or with trimming. So here I'm using my trimming to cover up everything, and that is done. This is the outcome of the design. I had order for 15, so I just finished my first 5 and I'm doing this video already. Thank you. Like and comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.